So we're only showing you this map because we want to show you how close that lava tree modes are to the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park entrance. And first we thought you could enter it through the park, but no, you actually it's outside on the main road off of Hawaii Belt Road. So we showed that to you in the map. Holy cow, that's deep. Oops. Wow. Crazy.
I thought you were just taking pictures. I didn't know you wanted me to.
Yeah, you're in it. The first one I think was more impressive.
That one is deep.
Very
Holy cow.
deep.
Well, this one's pretty deep too. This you can see the roots
Yeah,
of another tree going in.
This one is wide. That was a big
It's
tree.
like a well.
So there was a tree here when the lava came, and then the tree died, right? And left that hole.
After the tree decayed away.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, interesting. Look who, can we see the one across the street?
What?
This
Which one?
across
Yeah.
the street? Oh, there's another one. I didn't see that one.
Yeah.
But this is impressive. This one. First one.
Ooh. Damn. Pretty deep.
This one's deep too.
How was that one?
It says it's deep. Oh.
It's pretty deep actually.
Don't drop your phone.
That is deep.
That is deep.
No, it's deep and wide, this one.
Ooh.
Don't drop your phone in there.
No. No, I'm just looking.
Jeez. Which other one you? Oh, the one over there. There's two more over there.
Maybe a third. I mean, it's not really too big of a hole, but it's still. It looks
Oh,
like
it could have been. Yeah, right.
Yeah, it could have just been like a small tree. What the?
Oh,
It's like sideways.
sideways, like a cave.
Mom.
They look like wells. Oh, pretty cool.
It is cool.
What do you call these? Tree wells?
Mold.
Oh,
Mold.
tree molds. But I call them.
Oh, this one's not
I call them looking like a well. Natural well.
That was interesting. Only
It looks the same as if somebody dug a well and then put
Yeah.
their stones around it.
Mhm.
That's pretty cool.
The first one was it was like so deep and so circular.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
This
Yeah.
one. I like this one.
It almost looks man-made.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Very cool. All right.
I'm gonna have to find it. Sorry.
It's okay.
It was interesting.
Yep.